Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I kind of went big on the kids.
I still do want a piece of this before I leave.
Is this a good size for you?
How did you know it was here?
Yeah, we got it.
Before I do. Do you want pretty?
Alex, here.
There you go. Mutant Ninja Sean.
Kevin.
Mutant Ninja.
Hey, Phoenix.
I love you, cookies.
Oops.
Love you.
Claire, are you gonna eat yours?
You want one? Hey, Petey. Okay, I'll give you this one, okay?
Ew, this one's gross. That's Kaya. She's been chewing on it. Ew. It's like mushy cereal now. Ew.
Hey, where's my fork?
Do you guys